This video will cover the account settings within Maintain My RV. We'll go over the account settings page and the options you can change there, as well as the Manage Vehicle page and its options. From the Dashboards page, under the Dashboard tab, you'll see Account Settings in the menu, as well as Manage Vehicle. We'll start with Account Settings. There's just a couple of items on this page that are the most important to pay attention to. You can change your personal information, such as your email address, which is also your login ID, by selecting the Edit button here on the right. In this graph, you can also see how much of your allotted disk space you're using for uploading documents and things associated with your account. Billing information, if you needed to update billing, you can do that here. Alert settings is an important item. By hitting Edit, you can see this is where you turn alerts, and these are email alerts, either on or off. You change the frequency here from weekly or daily, depending on how often you want to receive email alerts, as well as the timing, meaning this is set to show me things that are coming due within the next 90 days or within the next 1,000 miles. The other important piece is the expense type. As I've covered in some of the other tutorials, you have the option of associating some of your RV expenses with something like a business. You can use the categories for anything you like, but it's just a mechanism for you to establish different categories for your expenses, which can be used in the reports later on, so you can categorize your expenses, again, for taxes or something like that. And you can edit those here. Next, we'll go to the Manage Vehicles page. Under this option, this is where you can change specific information about your vehicle. The first box up here at the top has a lot of the fields that you entered when you first created the vehicle or created your account. By selecting Edit, you can see you can change any of those fields, such as the nickname, the VIN number, etc. You can also delete your vehicle here by hitting the Remove Vehicle button. Another important field that I want to describe is Service Start Date. This is when the countdown for your maintenance items begins. So let me give you an example. In most cases, unless you've purchased a brand new RV, you'd want to leave this to the manufacturer date of your RV. But if you did purchase a new RV, let's say a 2015, but did not take possession of it until July of that year, you wouldn't want the countdown to start January 1st of that year. So here you can enter a specific date, so the maintenance countdown begins when you actually took possession of the RV. The next box represents information about your registration. So this can be helpful, so you can put in specific information so you have a reminder of when your title or potentially your taxes will be coming due. And you'll be reminded of that as well. You can enter specific purchase information about your RV if you wanted to, purchase date, price, things of that nature, just to keep track. And then another important field area is to add warranty information. And this is where you can put in a description of the warranty. You might have purchased an aftermarket warranty, the provider of that warranty, contact information for the warranty company, start date, and an expiration date. The expiration date is pretty important because oftentimes you want to be reminded of when something might be expiring well before that happens. You can put notes about that, and you can enter documents. So your actual warranty documents can also be uploaded here and associated and kept with your RV. Those were the main items we wanted to cover in this tutorial. We hope this has been helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.